Hello, my fourth graders. Today we're going to review multi-step word problems. So what are multi-step word problems? Multi-step word problems are like solving a puzzle that has multiple pieces. Multi-step word problems are math problems that have more than one operation involved. So with these word problems, you're going to have more than one step, hence the name multi-step. Also, you might have more than one operation involved. And remember, our four operations are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So, I have this anchor chart in my classroom. These are the rules for multi-step word problems, and this will help you. So, remember the word cubes. C, circle the numbers. U, underline the question. B, box in the keywords. E, evaluate and draw. S, solve and check. So let's look at an example. Dylan had 123 baseball cards. He kept 13 cards and shared the rest evenly among his 10 friends. How many baseball cards did each friend get? Let's break this down using the cube system. First, we circle the numbers. So let me read this problem one more time. Remember, it's okay to read the word problem more than once. Dylan had 123 baseball cards. He kept 13 cards and shared the rest evenly among his 10 friends. How many baseball cards did each friend get? So let's circle the numbers. 123, 13, and 10. Our next step is to underline the question. So our question is, how many baseball cards did each friend get? Our third step, box in the keywords. I believe this step is one of the most important steps with solving word problems because boxing in the keywords allows you to know what you're going to be doing. Are you going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? So our keywords are kept, shared, evenly. So let's look. Let's evaluate, draw, and solve. That's the fourth and fifth step of cubes. So we know the card total is 123. Dylan kept 13 of these. So if he kept, that means he took away. And our key word for taking away or kept is subtraction. So we do 123 minus 13 and we get 110. That's how many cards are left. We're still evaluating and drawing. So we know that we have 110 cards left because Dylan kept 13. Now we need to share evenly with 10 friends. So sharing evenly is another key word we have practiced. It is divide. So we're going to divide the 110 cards with 10 friends. So when we do 110 divided by 10, we get 11. You should know this because we've been practicing our division and multiplication facts. If you don't know this, then that's a great way to draw it out. So our last step is to check. Did we answer the question? Let me read the question one more time for you. Dylan had 123 baseball cards. He kept 13 and shared the rest evenly among his 10 friends. How many baseball cards did each friend get? We've solved the problem and we said that each friend got 11 baseball cards. So did we answer the question? We did answer the question. Let's review the steps one more time. Cubes. C, circle the numbers. U, underline the question. B, box in the keywords. E, evaluate and draw. S, solve and check. Let's practice more in class.